Hey everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to change the oil on your Mazda CX-5. Let's go! Before we start anything, let's go ahead and put on some gloves. Now, let's roll the vehicle up onto some ramps. Make sure to chalk the wheels for extra security. Next, set up a mat under the working area and put on some protective goggles for good measure. Next, let's go ahead and remove the plastic cover that's held in place by 2 Phillips head screws and 2 clips. We get a nice clear view of the drain plug and oil filter once the cover is off. Position your oil drain pan properly and remove the drain bolt using a 17mm socket. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the oil filter. If it doesn't come off easily, you can use something like these pliers seen here. I'll be replacing this one with a K&N oil filter. Next, we're going to inspect and clean the drain bolt, add a new washer, and reinstall it back onto the vehicle. Make sure to clean up any oil residue around the drain plug and oil filter for extra horsepower. Let's go ahead and install our new oil filter and torque down our drain bolt to 25 foot-pounds. Coming above board, take off the engine cover and remove the cap for the engine oil. Go ahead and put a funnel into the oil filler and let's start pouring some oil into our engine. My specific model calls for 5W30 oil, but your spec might vary based on location. Once you've filled it up, put the filler cap back on and let's turn on the vehicle. Let's make sure there's no leaks under the vehicle. If all looks good, put the cover back on. I'm now going to back the vehicle off the ramps and check my oil level using the dipstick. Make sure the oil level falls between the 2 dots. Finally, for some more extra horsepower, you can clean the engine cover and pop it back into place on your CX-5. Now with the oil change done, let's go ahead and reset the oil warning message in your car. Navigate to the maintenance menu of your vehicle and reset the service interval for oil change. This will clear the warning message off your dash and you are officially good to go. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, drop a like and maybe hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Appreciate you hanging out. Take care and drive safe, y'all. Peace.